So Google is giving away $300 for free to anyone who signs up to Google Cloud Console. So let me show you how you can get $300 for free, with which you can use all of their services. It could be Nano Banana, it could be Gemini Pro, it could be their video generation model, it could be their text to audio generation model. So the first thing that you'll have to do is go to this website console.cloud.google.com. Once you're on this website, just click on this start free, because you can also see that they've written start your free trial with $300 in credit. So they're actually going to give you $300 for free, which you can use for any of their premium service. So just click on start for free. So the first thing is you'll have to select your country, just agree and continue. So once you've added your address, just select payment method and select a payment method, and then just click on start for free. Okay, so once you've done that process, you will get a $300 of credit for free. But there is one technical thing that you will have to do to get inside their premium service. Right in front of you, I'm inside my console.cloud.google.com, the same link that we've used earlier, and here you can see your free credit, which is $300, right? So I've already used some of my credits. Now let me show you how you can access their premium models for free, where you can spend these $300. So on the left side, you'll be seeing this hamburger icon. Just click on it and then scroll down until you see Agent Platform. Inside Agent Platform, just select Studio, and from here you can basically access all of their models. So you can go with Nano Banana, you can use Gemini 3.1 Flash, or any model. I will show you how you can use all of these, because it has a slightly different screen as compared to the actual models. So here, as you can see, they've written unlock Google's most capable AI models. Okay, and they've also written get API key. So one thing to keep in mind, you cannot take their API keys and spend it out of these $300 of credit. So in order to use API keys, you will have to pay for that. But inside this Agent Studio, you can basically use Nano Banana, you can use all of their premium models. So let's start by using their premium Gemini Pro. Just click on Gemini 3.1 Flash, and by default they've added a prompt. I don't know what this prompt does. I don't know what this file is about. So let me clear all of it and let me give you an overview of how things work. So on the right side, as you can see, that we have the title of this chat, which says extract and titles, and on this right side, which is still loading, we actually have a memory button. Yeah, as you can see that whatever you're talking with your AI is being auto saved. Then we have preview. We are on the preview right now. We can also see the code, which we don't want. Let's go back, and now let's see which models are available. So I will click on my model setting, and it will show me a drop down with multiple features. Don't worry, there are a lot of things that you might have not seen inside the actual Gemini app. So if you click on models, you will now be seeing multiple models from which you can select any model. So we have Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite preview, and here we can also see the pricing, and we have a bunch of other information that we can use. Google's most affordable 3.1 model, optimized for high volume agents and large scale data process. Okay, so in this case, let's use Gemini 3.1 Pro, which is actually a pro model for which you will have to pay Google. But right now we already have $300 of free credits, so we will be spending those. So I'll not change anything else. I will let everything be the same. If you want to go more in depth, if you want this model to take references from Google, you can turn this on, but I'll just not touch anything for now. So let me close this, and here we have system instructions. If you don't know what system instruction is, basically you're setting up boundaries for your AI model, because right now your AI model has access to so much knowledge in the world. But let's say you're working on a project and you say that our project has green and black color. So it will stay in its boundaries, and it will be using the colors that you've mentioned inside system instruction. You can go more in depth that these are the fonts we will be using. This is the tone of voice that we will be using in our emails and stuff. So you can go more in depth. You can see more videos on my channel about how system instructions work. So I'll not be using any system instruction for now. For now, we'll just have to test this model. If it's working or not, it will be working. It will be using our $300 of free credit. So right below it, you will be seeing a mini map. This is basically a map of our total conversation that we will be doing. We can go to the previous conversation quickly just by using this mini map. So we are actually a digital marketing agencies, and I want you to clarify that how we can get high quality clients, and what channel, what platform should we be using. Should I be doing cold calling? Should I be doing cold emails? Okay, now just click on this button, which is enter button. Okay, and it is also showing you the tokens, which is 42. But if I hit enter, it will take more tokens than this. So on the left side, we can also attach or upload our files. We can give it references by URL. We can import from Google Cloud. We can also import from cloud storage. We can use Google Drive. We can also give it a link to YouTube, which it will actually read. It will actually go inside your YouTube video and read all of the captions and try to understand what your video is about. So this will cost you a lot of tokens. I would not recommend it, but if it's something like very important, then go ahead. If I click on this YouTube, you'll have to add a link to your video or whatever video you want to research. You can also add example, define few short examples. You can also add variables. This is like very advanced thing that you can do inside Google's premium services. So I'll not go deep into this right now. I'll just show you how you can use it for free. Just click on enter. Okay, so now as you can see, it has given me a very detailed answer, which has basically all of the things, and all of this was possible because we've used Google 3.1 Pro. So should you do cold emailing? Should you do cold calling? Should you like which platforms should you use? Do you like, are you doing SEO, B2B services, like all of the things? This is a very detailed prompt. So let me copy this prompt that I gave it and let's use it with the generic Gemini app that we all are using. Okay, so right now I'm inside my Gemini. Let's paste the prompt that we gave it to our agent studio and let's just click on enter. Okay, so the answer that the free version gave us, it's not very clean. It's not super tailored to what we've asked for. It's just saying that the strategy, this is a strategy, and instead of a sales clear page, offer a digital audit. Let's go back and read. Yes, but only if you have hyper personalized. Okay, so I've also asked it that should I be doing cold calling, cold emailing, and this is like a super like extreme answer. Okay, and everything is for free. You can like use it for free. So everything is also being saved here. Make sure that this has been turned on so you can basically access it in the future. So as you can see on the mini map, we're also seeing this prompt. This is basically our prompt and this is the answer that it gave us. So when you have like a big chat, it will show you multiple prompts which you've told it, and you can just click on this prompt and go back to that prompt. And let's say if you want to like add something inside that prompt, you can just click on this pen button and then you can like change it to whatever you want. Okay, I don't want anything, just cancel this. And you can also like, okay, now let me show you how you can access Google Nano Banana Pro inside your agent platform. So let's click on this plus button and let's go to image. So once you've selected image, it will select the Nano Banana model by default. Let me click on model settings and let's change this model to something else if you want. Nano Banana 2 is like the best model and it gives you result within seconds. Okay, so I'll just let it be on Nano Banana 2, and the output, is it only an image, is it image and text? So let it be on default, let it be on default. If you want an aspect ratio, for example, if you want a post for your Instagram, you can do like 4:5. If you want a thumbnail, you can like do 16:9. Like it depends on what type of post you're trying to create. The rest of it will stay pretty much the same. I don't want to change anything else. So the same thing, we have system instructions, we have mini map. So let me create an image, let me create a YouTube thumbnail using Nano Banana 2. Okay, so I want you to create me a YouTube thumbnail, a really high quality thumbnail which says that Google Gemini completely free. Like this is basically the title of the YouTube video that I'm making, and I want you to emphasize free. Okay, and you can also write somewhere $300 credit because like that's what it's giving us. Okay, so I've actually given it a prompt that I want a YouTube thumbnail for the video that I'm recording right now. Google Gemini completely free, and it gives you like $300 for free, which you can use for all of their premium service. The one more powerful thing that you can do using your agent platform is, let's say I wrote here Nano Banana and I want to like give it a reference that this is the image of Nano Banana. So if I bring an image of Nano Banana and paste it here, it will be right next to my Nano Banana. Like it will not be attached with the AI. If you want to reference it with a text, like I've referenced it with Nano Banana, you can like add the image right next to Nano Banana. You can also like take this image and okay, so you can like say that this is my image that you can use in the thumbnail. Okay, this is how you can use your thumb. This is like me and I'm referencing to my image. So if you're on the generic models, it will like have an upload section where everything will be uploaded and you cannot like, you can basically reference it, but these are more advanced things that you will be doing inside agent platform. So let me just click on enter and see what output it gives us. Okay, so this is the output that it gave me, and I think I might be using this as my video's thumbnail. You can like go back and forth and say, let's say I didn't like this thumbnail. Okay, you can go back to your prompt and click on this pen button and just like give it a reference. Like I've said, I don't want you to change my face and keep my face bigger, and don't change my facial expression. Okay, so I want like my face to be the same, and I want it to be like bigger and close to the screen. One more thing I want is I don't want to change this background to this like robotic. Okay, so let's just hit enter and see what output we will be getting out of this. Okay, so because I've changed the prompt, this is a very high quality thumbnail. Like as you can see, my face is super clean. This is like Google Gemini. I will like go back and forth and make more changes to this thumbnail. So this is how like you can go into more advanced Google's services and like get the best out of it, right? So now let me show you how you can generate videos for free using their image generation model. So first, let it save, and it is saved. Let's go to generate media and let's select video. So you can also like generate music, you can generate speech. Let's go with video for now. Let's select video, and now you're inside the video generation model. So from the right side, you can change the task from text to speech, image to video, video extension, reference to video. Like there are quite a lot of things, and you can also like change the model to something else. I think 3.1 is the best model. Light, let's go with light for now, and you can also view their pricing of their model. So here we also have generate audio. Do you want an audio to be generated? If yes, then let it be on. If no, then just toggle this off. Then we have option of parameters, which says, do you want it in landscape? Do you want it like in YouTube format? Do you want it like in TikTok format? Okay, let's go with TikTok format. What should be the length of this video? And the maximum length is 8 seconds. Let's go with 4 seconds, and the output resolution 720 pixels or 1080 pixels. Of course, the higher the pixels, the more your tokens, the more credits it will cost you. So let's go with 720 pixels. Don't worry about this. Okay, everything else will be on default. So let's just write a prompt, or you can also like select a prompt from these examples. Let's select this prompt and let's hit enter. Okay, so this is actually a mistake that I've done. I don't want it to generate four different videos for just the same prompt. Okay, so this is happening because if you see here, we have selected the parameters number of results to 4. So this should be set to 1, or if you want like multiple result, you can go with 2, you can go with 3, you can go all the way to 4. So I just want one result for now. I don't want to like use a lot of my free credits. Okay, so as you can see, we have 4 outputs. Let's play this video, a high quality video. You can also play this video. Like you have 4 variations of the same prompt. So this is a helpful feature, but I personally don't like generate a lot of videos using here. So this is how you can generate videos using Google's agent platform, where you can like access all of their premium services. One of the most powerful thing inside Google Cloud agent platform is their app developer, which is not available on their other platform. So let me show you how you can go there. So on the left side, you'll be seeing app builder. Just click on this, and now you will be inside the app builder, which is like the most powerful thing inside the agent platform. And just to clarify everything, you cannot talk to this agent. If you write a prompt to this agent, it will not like talk back to you. It will go ahead and create that web app, whatever you've talked about. So let's create a chatbot, website chatbot. Create a chatbot for a financial service website that can answer questions and different types of investment. So just to be clear, you can create fully functional websites using their app builder, and it will actually deduct the tokens from your free credits that we already have, like $300. So let's create a chatbot and let's click enter. Okay, so now as you can see, it is working on its code. You can also click on specifications, you can click on code, and you can see the code being written in real time. So I think this is sometimes more faster than Claude in some cases. So as you can see that hundreds and hundreds of lines were being written within seconds. So in less than 1 minute, this application was built. So let's click on this full screen icon so that we can like see all of the things. I mean, you can also design your web app. You can like do all of the technical things inside this app builder. So let me show you the other applications that I've already built using the app builder. Okay, so as you can see, this is a very high quality website that I built using their app builder, and I've like given it my fonts, I've given it my color scheme, Everything was basically done by the app builder itself. So this is a very high quality website that I've made for a real estate company. Yeah, so you can like create high quality websites. You can create this type of agents. So this is basically a voice agent that does voiceovers in bulk. Like you can give it hundreds or even thousands of scripts and it will do voiceovers for them. So I've actually created this for an agency which is like doing hundreds of ads in 1 month. So this is an application that I built. This is a prototype right now. I also like created some mobile applications using this. Of course, you can like work on the designs, but this is like an example that what you can do using their app. So you can basically do all of the things that other applications. So this is how powerful the app builder is, and this is basically the best feature that I like inside the agent platform. So this was it for this video. I hope you liked it. Go ahead and take those $300 of credit from Google for completely free for the next 90 days. And if you want to become an AI engineer in the next 30 days, I have made a community which you can join by clicking on the first link in description. Whether you're a beginner, whether you are someone who has very little knowledge about AI, I will take you from a beginner to an AI engineer in the next 30 days. Make sure to like and subscribe the channel.